Hey friends. So I thought I'd shoot a quick video to show you how you could repurpose some of your stories and your reels on Instagram if you're using them. Really, actually, repurpose any content that you have on your phone using a nifty app called Boosted Video Maker. So let's do this. I'm going to pull up my phone right here. And this app, I have it in my folder called Stories. I got all these different things you can do with stories. This is not just for stories. This is actually a creative app you can use for any purpose. They do square, landscape, portrait, the works. So Boosted, all I'm going to do by Lightricks, I'm going to open up. You have all these free templates in here. You can scroll along here and look at every template they have. And a lot of the templates include the free assets inside of them. But what we're going to do in this particular video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to hit the plus button, super duper easy. It's going to automatically go to my camera roll and you'll see where I've been goofing around and doing all kinds of stories over the last little while. So let's just say I've already pre-selected some of these and I can do up to 7. I'm going to grab a few different ones. There's the cherries. There's one there. That's 5. Let's see if I get to that one and just do one more, that one. Okay, so 7. Now also you can see that I could choose some from Getty Images. I could buy some from in the app, but at the moment I'm just going to go ahead and do mine. You can see that tiny little thing at the bottom there says hold and drag to reorder. So if I go, oh, actually I want that one over there, or just pressing, this is on the iOS, on iPhone, you can do them. You can do Android as well. It's a little bit different, works a little bit similar, but different. So there we go. See, I'm happy with my order. Now is all I'm going to do. Hit next. And now I need to create a style. It automatically defaults to square. Don't worry about the format because we can change that in a moment. This is super awesome. Makes it so easy because I can tap on any one of these basically like pre-made templates, and they're mostly for the style of text and the transitions. So for this particular example, I'm just going to stick with the first one, sunny. And as I just hit create, boom. Now, a couple little nifty editing things I can do in here. As you can see, there's my 7. And I can go, all right, and you can see I can do text, and there's, if I tap on that, there's also a filter. Okay, I can actually change it up per clip and do that nice and easy. But what I'm going to do is I want to see the length of this is. If I hit preview, and then it does have music. It's not playing the second because I don't think it's playing. But what I'm doing is I want to see the length of it. So I go to the end and I see it's 26 seconds total. I actually want it longer. So come out of there, and to do that, I'm going to hit scenes. So you see 26 seconds. Or I could have hit scenes before to see the length. Plus. I'm just adding scenes because I can always switch out the assets. As many as I can put in here, and that's my max. So I can make just under 1-minute videos using this mobile app, super duper easy. My content or theirs is included in the templates, or you can purchase them. I got a special Mari deal for you. You'll see it in the description here. It's only $4.99 for 3 months, or you can use it for free. All right, so we've got the 54-second. That's perfect. That's what I want. I got 15 scenes there. You see. Hit done, and now I can start to load up what I want in here. I'm going to come to the very first one, say I'm fine with that. If I tap it, you've got different things I can do here. So trim and fit. Now fit, because say if I was leaving it as a square, I'm going to move this to where I want my face. See there, that was a previous story. So now I'm going to go in here and say I'm happy with that, or maybe I want to know, and you'd be able to hear the audio and to know exactly which aspect of it that you wanted. I'm talking about my bookshelf there. So hit done, say I'm happy with that. And then I'm going to make my text, whatever I want it here. Introducing, whatever I'm going to say there. And then I can change up the font, right? And I can apply the font to all. Love that little feature. I can go and make this, because I don't want it on top of my face, make it a little smaller, or wherever I'm going to put it, up here, and then go on to the next scene. Now then, with the audio, another quick trick for you is that I'm going to press this little music, and this will be for the whole track, my whole 54-second track. I'm going to hit music. It's automatically come in with the default music, but if I want my own audio, like what I'm saying in each one, I'm going to hit replace. And do you see that down the bottom there? Point the other way, right there. Use clip audio. So I just toggle that little guy, and now it's going to use the audio I already had in there of me speaking in my stories. I could do that, or you got all kinds of it. Show you all the different music. You got lots and lots of totally royalty-free music in there. Let's say I'm going to use the clip audio. Hit done, and then go on to my next one. You can play each individual one. Say, okay, that's fine, and just keep putting the text that you want. Double check, double tap, text here. Spell right. Thank you for autocorrect. Move these around. So, and then let's say, oh my gosh, I'm liking how this is coming together. I want to make this is square, which would be great for my Instagram feed post. And then you just tap format, and there's your 3 formats. You say, no, actually, I'm going to leave it as story. We're going to do this all as an IGTV video, right? Or however you want to repurpose it. Or I could go, there's 16:9 landscape. That's going to be ideal for Twitter or LinkedIn usually. And you're like, but Mari, wait, that's not going to work. I've done a 9:16, 16:9, 9:16. Yes, 9:16 is the long, the long one, the story one, it's vertical. And you're like, that's not going to work. So let's say, okay, yeah, but watch this. Remember, we can tap on it, and I can go trim and fit, and I take my 2 fingers and I just make it zip, zip, zip. And we've even got little grid lines, so I can put it where I want. You can put it off to the center even if you wanted. Oops, actually no, it's going to default to the middle, no problem. And remember, we could trim it wherever we want. And I hit done. So now it does that wonderful kind of mirroring effect, or not mirroring, whatever they call it, like a blurred background. So now, and I can really do some fun things with this, because now I can go and zoom up my text a little bit. You can either use a little slider there or your fingers. And there you go, much better. And same, you'll have to do that on each one, right? So trim and fit, get it to where I want it. That's a fun filter on Messenger, Facebook Messenger. So play each one, and it's so easy to use, and it's fun too. It's a fun, nifty little easy peasy app, and you can basically produce in a few moments using content you already had on your camera roll, or repurposing stories like I'm doing here, and literally make 3 different videos, right? You could make up to almost a minute for landscape for Twitter, LinkedIn, as I mentioned, even YouTube if you wanted, square for your Instagram feed, or Facebook. Square is just fine for Facebook, or the full 9:16. I would do if you're doing longer than 15 seconds, because obviously what we're doing is repurposing stories here, as that would be fun for IGTV. Also with Reels now, we can do 30 seconds. They've allowed us to do 30 seconds. So I hope that was helpful to you, and something fun that you can play around with. Oh, by the way, yeah, so we hit close, and then we hit preview and get it to how we want it, and it's where we want it. Say great, and then I just hit share. Now from here, I could go straight to Facebook, which is not to your business page. It does go to your profile. So I recommend, my strategies, I'm just going to save it to my photo library, right? So hit photo library, leave it open. It's going to go ahead and pop it on your camera roll, and from there, you load it to wherever you want, and if you prefer to use desktop, just connect up to your computer and off you go. Or another nifty little thing for you is with Creator Studio, Facebook Creator Studio, is that you can upload in draft. So you could upload from your mobile device as a draft to Facebook Creator Studio, and then go in on desktop and type your hashtags and your verbiage and call to action and link and anything you want. So it's almost done there. That one was a long one. I pushed the envelope with that, and there you go. Voila! So it's saved to my camera roll. You just come out of there, go over here, go into there, and there it is. There's my 54-second little video in nice HD, and with the nice transitions and my different text. Of course, I didn't quite finish making it, but I was just showing you guys. Okay, so have fun with that. That's how to repurpose Facebook or Instagram stories or any content you have on your camera roll, obviously with a purpose. This isn't just about cranking out stuff just because Instagram or Facebook wants us to crank out stuff. Be strategic, thinking about top of mind, top of feed, and the ability to get your message across to your audience in a fun way, in an informative way, an educational way. And when you are creating regular video content for Facebook and Instagram, you just will reach more people. They're so video centric. Facebook in particular, Zuckerberg has long said that YouTube is one of their biggest competitors when it comes to video, and so he's got his sights on becoming more YouTube like. The beautiful thing though of video on Facebook is it has the whole engagement aspect as well, and the community, the social network side of things. A little bit different to YouTube. Okay, hope this was fun and valuable for you. I look forward to seeing your creations. Feel free to tag me when you upload videos and let me know how you like this boosted app. And you just go, let me show you that deal while we've got you. theboostapps.com/Mari. And I'll show you this real quick. Chrome, it should come up. You can just zap that QR code. And as I said right there, it's going to give you the $4.99. And the picture's only 3 years old. I changed my hair so much. But you can download it, and there it is, App Store, Google Play. Pull that up, theboostapps.com/Mari on your mobile device. And then when you tap, you'll go right through to the app and get your special Mari deal. You can download it and check it out for free and then decide if you want to upgrade to the paid version. Okay, friends, enjoy, have fun, keep on being awesome. Ciao for now.